So this is Rasayani. This is basically the Devloli dam. This is my favorite go-to destination. Like it's so close to Panvel that I can come anytime, or like any Panvelkar can come anytime. And so you will also see so much garbage. If you see, this water is being flowing, and this water it basically becomes waterfall. And normally this dam does not have enough water, so this becomes a place where you can do swimming in all seasons. And if you come in rainy season, then you will also get waterfalls at the other side. This is the view here. You can see the mountains, and you can see the factory. There's a factory there, and there are some buildings. This is the other side. These are the mountains. And yeah, so we are above the waterfall. We're not exactly above the waterfall, but you can see the waterfall from here. And yeah, that's the view from the top. This is the view here, and you can see the water. And on that other side, there is the waterfall. Brought my friends, and yeah, we come here every year now. It's just 15 kilometers away, and yeah, it's easy. So you can see the view, you can see the nature. And many a times when I have to fight with anyone, I have to come here. Basically, this is a quick escape point for me. It is raining. It is raining, but actually I've never seen very heavy rainfall here. The rainfall comes only when I'm not here, and it's okay. Let me just swim. It's easy to fall from this cliff. You can see I'm like where I'm standing, and you can hear the noise of the water. Let's go that side. Yeah. And yeah, we are at the starting, and this is the water. I've waterproofed everything, but yeah, it's difficult to bring the camera again and again out and mount it and then capture videos, because like I'm not used to vlogging. Normally when it is not rainy season, this lake becomes dry. This lake does not become completely dry. We can basically swim here. Water decreases, and it's something like 40 to 60 feet deep. And I've heard many people have like gone too deep inside, and then they just it's beautiful. Let's go down. So the village people are good here. I think this place still lacks for tourism standards.
इकून दिसतंय बाबा इकून दिसतंय
त्याला दाखव
तुझा फर्स्ट आलाय फोटो
नुसतं फोटोच काढायला आल्या
हो, इथे येत राहतो मी.
कुठं
इकडेच हे पाण्यामध्ये पाऊस पडलाय, त्यामुळे ते आणि गाड्यामुळे होऊन जातं. Actually are very friendly, and now we are going towards the waterfalls. And yeah, it's wonderful. Like, this place is very windy, and just love it. My bike is parked above, and I didn't bring it because they were doing some work on the road, and I didn't wanted to disturb them. See the settlements and the waterfall. The village people live here, and I see they don't have water shortage. They can basically wash their clothes and everything on the lake. This waterfall is basically the lake overflowing, and it has been constructed by nature in such a way that it seems beautiful. So now we are gonna need to go through the water because there is no other way. Luckily there are no crabs here, so we can really enjoy these waters. So now we are entering the waters. Yeah, we have to go ahead. So yeah. In school, like we used to come here in the picnic, and many a times we whoever has wore a sleeper, the sleeper used to just slip from their legs, and it is to just go away with water. And then our teacher, like our PT sir or someone else, used to catch it, or sometimes it used to just flow away. So I have also missed my slippers, and this water really gets deep. This waterfall is flowing actually very fast. The water is flowing actually very fast, and it's a little difficult to climb. When we were kids, we used to have a fear of snakes, and we used to think like this waters may be having snakes, but luckily we never found any. But you can hear the chirping sound of the insects. It's better to go from one side. So like the bag actually is very heavy due to the helmet, and I should have removed it. Like I should not carry the helmet, but I am carrying it. And you see the water flow actually increases ahead. So I have actually wore my helmet because it was taking like it was too much load on my back, and I should have not carried the helmet at all. But yeah, it will save my head in any case. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard, but it's all time fun. Now this looks deep, but it isn't. Oh, it is. The problem is not with it being deep. The problem is that the water is flowing very fast. And if you go here, you will fall down here. You can see how deep I have gone. I have like half of my legs inside. And where should I go from? I'll go from here itself. Yeah. So I got a stone. I'll climb over it. I'll climb over the under it. Yeah. You can see. There's the waterfall. I got this stone, but the water is fast, so I will keep my leg somewhere behind the stone. Oops. I need something to hold. Whenever you come here, don't bring a sling bag, bring a backpack. It's not difficult, it's difficult with a camera. Now I know I need to go that side because you see there are stones at that side, and there's a waterfall at this side. This is too deep, and that is a little bit shallow, so I can keep my bag, I can keep my helmet there. Finally. Garbage everywhere. Yeah, so we are finally near the waterfall. You can see there is the waterfall behind the stone, and let's go there. So this is the waterfall, and normally I've never seen any stone that has fallen from above, only unless someone plays with anything. And yeah, it is beautiful. It is a safe place. You can come here, you can enjoy. It's in Panvel. It's near Panvel. It is in Rasayani. And for Rasayani people, it's just 1 kilometer away. Whereas for Panvel people, it's 15 kilometers away. It's not that very difficult. It's actually impossible to take camera there. So we'll be going inside the pool that's in front of me. This is what nature really is. It is beautiful. You see, there is one more place called Panvel in Navi Mumbai. It is actually banned in every monsoon, but the place is beautiful, and actually it is being heard that people basically go through the water flow and they basically get drowned every year. Let's go back. Yeah, the sun has come out, and there is the sun. You see here the waterfall, and sometimes you also see the rainbows forming here due to the rain. Today it's not raining, so yeah, the sun is bright. So let's get moving. As always, I don't have enough charge, so I'll have to get out of this place as early as possible. Go. Oh. Again those water. You can see they have done some construction here as well. And yeah. Now it actually seems very easy because we know where we have to step and we know where we came from. So we have crossed almost all the flow. If you ever think to come here, you can just type Devloli Dam, Deolali Dam on the maps, and it will bring you here. If you don't know how to come, you can basically come to Panvel stand, and just from 50 meters ahead of Panvel ST stand, you will get those tum-tums, and they will charge you 50 to 70 rupees per person. At the beginning they were charging 20 rupees, but due to COVID they have increased. It's not that far, but yeah. So we are out.